What's good, everybody? My name is Polo. Hope you're doing well. And today I am once again discovering some music you may have heard before or even grew up listening to, but it's new to me today. And this band, I've heard of the name of this band before. In fact, I've always thought I like the name of this band, Fleetwood Mac. Has a ring to it. And the song I'm checking out today is Silver Springs. Do me a big favor and like the video if you enjoy the video. Let's go.
You could be my silver spring, blue-green colors flashing. I would be your only dream. You shining autumn, ocean crashing. Don't say that she's pretty. Did you say that she loved you? Baby, I don't wanna know. So I'll begin not to love you. Turn around, see me running. I say I loved you years ago. Tell myself you never loved me. No.
Chills early. You could feel the song building there, the bass line throughout this entire track. This is a really, really smooth, mellow, but has a really good feeling to it, really good vibe to it. I like this track.
Don't say that she's pretty. Did you say that she loved you? Baby, I don't wanna know.
That transition right there.
So I'll begin not to love you.
I love the melody.
Turn around, see me running. I say I loved you years ago. Tell myself you never loved me. No. Don't say that she's pretty.
Oh man, this is good.
And did you say that she loved you? Baby, I don't wanna know.
I don't know what that instrument is that's going wow, wow, wow. Very, very beautiful. There's so many layers to this track, but it sounds, they make the track sound so simple and like laid back, but I never heard a sound like this.
Oh no. Can you tell me, was it worth it? Baby, I don't wanna know. Time casts a spell on you.
Oh man.
You won't forget me.
Oh,
I know I could have loved you, but you would not let me.
oh man, this is fire. Really, really good track. I'm digging Fleetwood Mac here.
Don't say that she's pretty. And did you say that she loved you?
I love this build.
Baby, I don't wanna know. Oh no.
I cannot name that instrument. instrument, but it's beautiful.
You tell me, was it worth it? Baby, I don't wanna know.
Oh man,
Time casts a spell on you.
you gotta change your pace.
You won't forget me. I know I could have loved
Love this part.
you, would not let me.
Love that sound. I gotta say, I love the instruments in this band. Okay, they have like this a different sound to them. You can't describe it, but it's just really smooth. I love it.
Spell on you, you won't forget me. I know I could have loved you, but you would not let me.
Very well written there. Beautiful.
Well, follow you down till the sound of my voice will haunt you.
It's one of those tracks you sing with your entire heart in the car.
Give me just a chance. You'll never get away from the sound of the woman that loves you. Was I such a fool? I'll follow you down till the sound of my voice will haunt you. Give me just a chance. You'll never get away from the sound of the woman that loves you.
Face is tingling. Oh man. You know what would go really well with this track? I don't want to say it on camera, but it rhymes with weed. All right. Not that I condone that sort of thing, but all jokes aside, what do you guys expect me to say after hearing something like that? Okay, that was amazing. Okay. Starting off with just the opening, the bass line, okay, from the beginning, the bass line through the entire track to me felt like the heartbeat of the track. But there was so many other elements that just added such. It's one of those songs that you can tell it's a classic track the first time you hear it. You know, if you're a lover of music, like me, when I listen to an album back, especially when I used to listen to CDs back in the day and go through CDs, I could tell within the first 30 or 40 seconds if I like the track. And I'm pretty sure, I think most people do that. I don't know. You know, I can only go by how I used to do it. Typically within the first 30 seconds, I know if I like a song. But then there's levels to it. There's some songs where I'm listening to the album and I'm supposed to go to the next track, but I'm not done with this song. So it might take me hours or even the next day before I even go to the next track. And typically people listen to an album all the way through and then go back and listen to their favorites. If an album's sequenced very well, you know, then they can transition to the next song without you barely even noticing. The Dream, an artist by the name of The Dream, and I think the album is called American Dream. One of the best sequenced albums that I've ever listened to as far as their transition to each song, where, you know, you don't hurry up and go back to the previous song because they've already took you into another level of awesomeness with the next track. And I'm saying all that to say this: if this was an album I was reviewing, this would be one of those tracks where I would play over and over and over again before I went to the next track until I felt fulfilled, for lack of a better term. Okay, until I till I feel where they're going with the song, or what they wanted you to feel when they created it. And that's how I would process music. This was a phenomenal song. It goes to the top of the list in the Forerunner. I'll be playing this on repeat. You guys witnessed me listen to it for the first time, but this feels like one of those tracks where I'll be listening to it for the rest of my life. It's that good, and I don't say that with every video, that I react to. But you guys, especially my supporters, are sending in just mind-blowing, amazing tracks that some of you guys grew up with or just knew, okay? Because if you're new to the channel, I grew up listening to hip-hop and R&B. I didn't listen to any of this stuff, okay? So it's all new to me, but I still have I still have taste for older music, because there is music from the 50s that I love. Like, I love Otis Redding. Marvin Gaye is one of my favorite artists. So tracks that I could pick up during my childhood, I fell in love with those artists and started listening to them when I got older, even as a teenager, really. But most music, like metal and whatever genre this is, I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about music in general. I don't play an instrument, just giving you my opinion. But I'm rambling. This song was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. I love the way it feels. I love the headspace it puts me in. It's so smooth, so cool, a great rhythm, beautiful instruments. The solo was amazing. Her voice, beautiful, amazing. The way the lyrics are written, the chorus, it's just a track that right away. It is a masterpiece, a classic, a greatest hits, I would bet, from this band. Okay, I didn't even research this, but I'm pretty sure this has to be in their greatest hits. All right, if not, then I can't wait to check out the rest of their catalog. But you guys let me know in the comment section if you are a fan of this band. Okay, let me know the top 3 songs that you love from them, and I will come back and read the comments and see what the consensus is of what I should check out next. Or you can do what the person did that supported the show. They sent in the request via support, and you can do that via the Buy Me a Coffee link in the description, or check out my Patreon, where you can also catch content that doesn't make my YouTube channel, and hit me up directly. I respond to everyone who hits me up on Patreon. But yeah, just a great choice. Thank you for your support. Thank you. This is definitely my taste in music. This is like this is in my DNA. I love this music, but I don't know. I'm talking too much. Thank you for your time, as your time is very valuable. Hope you have a great day. Peace.